I have played enough games and it's just time to be honest with you guys and show you my BBC. And this is my BBC, build back case. The build back case is your go-to box for your breakdowns in the middle of the desert, in the middle of the trail, middle of the sand dunes, wherever it's gonna be, this is the case. This case is quality, I'm telling you. This case is all about quality. Quality is important. I wanted it to be tight, snug, and I want it to just look good. I want it to be easy to warranty. Most of you probably don't remember Sears because you're too young. Most of you don't remember 9/11. So most of you won't remember how big of a struggle it is to go into Sears and try to get your Craftsman wrench warrantied. Sometimes it's warrantyable. Sometimes you could pull out a different style and length screwdriver out of a bucket. But right here, quality, warrantyable. Everything in here is warrantyable except for the case and the two crescent wrenches that we'll get to later. Everything else in here has a warranty, easy, Tekton.com, go down to the bottom, go to warranty, snap a photo, type in your information and what happened, and more than likely they'll send you a new one. No questions asked. Actually, my toolbox over there is full of Tekton stuff. So I use Tekton all the time and that's why I went with it. Easy to warranty, great quality. If I don't buy Snap-on for work, then I'm gonna buy Tekton. That's the only two I usually, maybe some gear wrench, but gear wrench is kind of meh. But anyways, this case right here, it's gonna start out at the top. You're gonna have your metric standard wrenches. You're gonna have a 5/16 nut driver. If you don't know what a nut driver is, let me educate you. Nut drivers are great for hose clamps. So now you don't gotta dig around, try to find that whatever nut. I don't know what size it is. I don't know this and that. Just go straight to this. Boom, done. We tighten hose clamps to make sure our fuel feed tubes don't pop off and start on fire. We make sure that they're tight on things like your radiator hoses, because those will pop off too. Those are things I check every single time I prep the truck, but now you have this tool to do that. You got a bunch of bits in here. You got two different sets of bits on both sides. You got Allen's, Torx, square, flathead, number 2 screwdrivers. You got the square bits in here for those RV people that drive into the desert and all the washboard shakes their old 1980 bolts and screws loose. We got a dealio in here for that. Got everything else that you can need in here, and then you have your bit driver on the other side. These things, this is like magnetized. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm telling you guys, quality. Quality is key. Quality is important. Quality makes a prep a lot better. Your wrenches are gonna come in rolled up cases, little pouches. These are gonna go from 1/4 all the way to 3/4. And then this is gonna go from 6 all the way up to 19. So I know some people are gonna go in the comments and be like, well, what about the bigger wrenches? You should have put bigger wrenches. Hold the freak on, I got something for you. Check this out. You got a 15-inch adjustable wrench, maybe a hammer. I don't know. This opens up big enough to do those big rear heims. I actually use this, not this one, but the one in my truck all the time to tighten my jam nuts. And then underneath it, you're gonna have a 10-inch adjustable wrench. So these are Harbor Freight. These are, I don't know the warranty on these. They couldn't really tell me, so you're gonna have to try to figure that out when the time comes. Everything else in this case is Tekton and warranted, so no worries there. You have a 4 set of pliers in here. They're stacked on each other to keep space nice and organized, but you have 3 different styles. Next, you're gonna have your 21-ounce dead blow hammer. And then you're gonna have a little pry bar here with a little strike action pad on the back so you can get after it when things get rough and tight. On the bottom, you're gonna have your probably most important set. On the bottom, you're gonna have your sockets, all impact sockets. Again, deep sockets. You're gonna have everything from a 5/16 all the way up to 1 1/4. So people have like your big rear end bolts, we got you covered there. You're gonna have a 9 to 24 socket on the other side, and then you're gonna have a 3-inch extension, and then you're gonna have a 6-inch extension on the other side. Size matters, by the way, 6 inches versus 3 inches. It's quite a big difference there. And then you're gonna have a quality 91 tooth ratchet. And it's a soft grip with a little push lever. How many of you guys have ever got your hands greasy and dirty and you can't get the socket off? That's really annoying, so I picked a little quick release action on that. Everything is gonna be custom engraved for the size, where everything goes. Really easy to figure out where things went, if it's dark, if you can't see, if you can't remember where things go, and you're just not the brightest person in the world, don't worry about it. It's all engraved. Quality tools, quality inserts. So the inserts are custom engraved, obviously. There's green bottom, black top, and that's it. Not much to it, but enough to get you fixed up and back to driving in the dirt, or maybe back to camp where you gotta get to the welder or something. This kit is available right now on our website, downformobbing.com. Get your BBC now. All right, we're gonna go to the desert. I'll see you guys there.